Let's take a look at the latest market action as investors look ahead to key consumer inflation data out this week in the start to earnings season. I'm Julie Hyman. That's Brad Smith. This is Yahoo Finance Live. And we're seeing a big divergence today that's quite interesting. So the Dow is little changed, as you can see here, not even down a whole 0.1%. The S&P 500 is down much more, 2/3 of 1%. And then you got the NASDAQ Composite, which is off 1.25%. So a big divergence between those two major averages. If you look at the trending tickers, sourcing straight from the Yahoo Finance platform and what users like you are looking at, you can kind of see why. Here's Tesla. We got it down 4% today after the company cut prices reportedly over the weekend. Those shares are down by 4% here. Apple shares down 2.5% after that report out from IDC that its PC shipments fell by more than 40% in the first quarter. PC shipments overall down 29%, as we discussed earlier in the show. Apple, though, taking the biggest percentage hit. So that's why you got these trading tickers. And the Yahoo and the NASDAQ 100 futures, the QQQs, are actually on the trending ticker list as well. So a lot of attention on the NASDAQ today and some of the selling that we are seeing there. So it's quite interesting to see that unfold even as the Dow kind of goes sideways. Here's the NASDAQ 100 and your look and all of the red we see on the screen. And it's not just Tesla and Apple, Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, Meta are all trading lower today as well. Brad looked at the sectors at the open to get another check here. We've got the XLE that is still holding the leadership position to the upside here today. Industrials as well, and that helps explain why the Dow is doing better than the NASDAQ 100 today, right? And then these two groups help explain why the NASDAQ isn't doing well. That is, we've got tech here and we've got communication services that are bringing up the rear here and lagging and holding back any gains that otherwise might be happening in the NASDAQ 100. Since this is going to be a big week for inflation data, as well as for implications for the Fed, we'll see what ends up happening with those two now interest rate sensitive groups, Brad.
All right, a little bit more green on the screen there on the sector front since I was over there. Yeah, that's the Julie Hyman advantage right there for you folks. Thanks so much, Julie.